Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This is multiple choice questions on retail management part first. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. The word retail is derived from the dash word. Options are A. Latin, B. French, C. English, D. German. Correct option is A. Latin. Question number 2. Retailer is a person who sells the goods in a dash A. Large quantities, B. Small quantities, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Small quantities. Question number 3. The main objective of the management is dash A. Profitability, B. Sales growth, C. Return on investment, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 4. In retailing, there is a direct interaction with dash A. Producer, B. Customer, C. Wholesaler, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 5. Retailing creates dash A. Time utility, B. Place utility, C. Ownership utility, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 6. Dash activities performed by the retailers: A. Assortment of offerings, B. Holding stock, C. Extending services, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 7. The term stakeholders, which includes dash A. Stockholders, B. Consumers, C. Suppliers, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 8. Dash represents how a retailer is perceived by consumers and others: A. Image, B. Sales, C. Profit, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Image. Question number 9. The functions of management start with dash A. Buying, B. Planning, C. Organizing, D. Supervising. Correct option is B. Planning. Question number 10. Management is what a manager does. Given by A. Henry Fayol, B. F. W. Taylor, C. Louis Allen, D. None of these. Correct option is C. Louis Allen. Question number 11. Human resource management process consists of dash A. Recruitment, B. Selection, D. Training, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 12. Dash is the process of seeking and attracting a pool of people from which qualified candidates for job vacancies can be selected. A. Selection, B. Advertisement, C. Compensation, D. Recruitment. Correct option is D. Recruitment. Question number 13. Dash gives the nature and requirements of specific jobs: A. Human resource planning, B. Job descriptions, C. Job analysis, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Human resource planning. Question number 14. Dash is a kind of internal source of recruitment: A. Promotion, B. Employee recommendation, C. Transfer, D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 15. Attracting potential employees is more difficult in case of dash A. Internal recruitment, B. External recruitment, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct option is B. External recruitment. Viewers, by and large, in all the questions, the correct options are highlighted. In case of any discrepancy found, that will be corrected through my narration. Now question number 16. Dash is the next step after recruiting the retail personnel: A. Supervision, B. Compensation, C. Training, D. Selection. Correct option is D. Selection. Question number 17. Dash test measure a person's capacity or potential capability to learn and perform a job: A. Aptitude test, B. Proficiency test, C. Interest test, D. Personality test. Correct option is A. Aptitude test. Question number 18. A traditional format of the sell 20 to 80% of groceries and other consumable product at discounted prices: A. Dollar store, B. Discounted stores, C. Chain store, D. Off price store. Correct option is D. A. Dollar store. 19. Dash component allow the retailer to offer the employees safety and security: A. Fixed component, B. Fringe benefit component, C. Variable component, D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Fringe benefit component. 20. Dash is the manner of providing a job environment that encourages employees accomplishment: A. Compensation. B. Supervision. C. Training. D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Supervision. Question number 21. Store security relates to dash a personal security. B. Merchandise security. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Correct option is C. Both A and B. Question number 22. Form of payment which a retailer may accept is dash A. Cash only. B. Cash and credit cards. C. Cash and debit cards. D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. 23. Many retailers have improved their operation productivity through dash A. Computerization. B. Outsourcing. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Computerization. Question number 24. The computerized checkout is used by dash A. Large retailers. B. Small retailers. C. Multi-retailers. D. All of these. Correct option is A. Large retailers. Question number 25. With the help of dash, a retailer pays an outsider party to undertake one or more of its operating functions. A. Outsourcing. B. Credit management. C. Computerization. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Outsourcing. 26. Dash helps the retailers to face the crisis situations. A. Risk management. B. Credit management. C. Financial management. D. All of these. Correct option is A. Risk management. 27. Dash is a key task for both large and small retailers. A. Risk management. B. Crisis management. C. Inventory management. D. All of these. Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 28. Dash helps the retailers to complete the tasks within the short period of time. A. Computerization. B. Outsourcing. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Computerization. 29. Dash is a warning to potential thieves and muggers. A. Insurance. B. Security guards. C. Outsourcing. D. Credit management. Correct option is B. Security guards. 30. Insurance against dash is more important due to government rules. A. Environmental risk. B. Production risk. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Environment risk. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.